What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we're here starting off at the most painful place around the world right now, the gas station. But anyways, I'm happy to say today's video is going to be so exciting. It is the first install of the GR86. I'm really excited because it's the exhaust. One of the most favorite things of like every freaking enthusiast is the sound of the car. Right now we're going to meet up at Timmy's house. Timmy's actually working on his car too, so I love when we're both kind of working on our cars. I think it's kind of cool. I'm gonna head over there after crying over these prices and I'll see you guys right now. Oh yeah. Dang, look at this guy. Look at all this grind this guy's getting in. So, my dude's over here gonna repaint his calipers. Oh man. But I think this is after like he already like cleaned them up and everything like that. So, it's gonna look nice. I think he's putting some type of like white on there. It has like this like pearl or like, you know, flake in the paint, so it's gonna look pretty good with this white on there. I know you on the phone, bro.
Oh, I'm good now.
Damn, this thing is dirty, dude.
Oh, yeah.
When's the last time you cleaned it?
What does cleaning mean?
What does cleaning mean? It means not looking like this. Dang, look at all the ground coming off.
Oh,
Sheesh.
All that brake dust.
All that work you be doing, man. You don't have no time to freaking clean your wheels, bro.
All that brake dust, man. Well, wait for your exhaust to cool off.
Nah, bro. You get that thing while it's hot.
Okay, perfect.
No, it's cool because then that way I can show them like which exhaust we got and talk a little bit about that. So I actually really like that I was able to fit the exhaust in here really nicely. I wasn't really driving too crazy, so hopefully, you know, it didn't do no dings or nothing. What's up?
Sundays are for cars.
Sundays are for cars? Sundays are for the boys.
That too.
Well, let me go ahead and take this out so that way I can show you guys. So here is the exhaust that we had went with. This is the Perrin exhaust. I did look these up online. I haven't really heard about them too much, so I kind of did my research, and it seems like in like the Subaru 86 community, the Perrins are kind of like well known, and a lot of people have good reviews about them. So I looked into it a little bit further. Apparently they're a company from like 1996, and they specialized in Honda parts back in the day, and then like early 2000s they started off with like some Subaru parts, and this is kind of where they're at today. And so they have like really good reviews. I did hear some sound clips already on the new generation, so this is from the first generation. So I know a lot of people have been wondering if like first generation parts fit onto second generation parts. So I did see that it does fit up to it, but we're gonna see how well the fitment is, if we run into any problems, and then like of course, just like in any video, I'll give you guys the true results or the struggles that we go through trying to install it. So the guy that I bought it from, he only had it on there for like 7,000 miles, and you can kind of see it because it hasn't really browned everywhere. It looks really clean. There's no like dents or dings or anything like that. I'd say like maybe the only real part right here is probably like this part right here where it's scraped, but I'm pretty sure that's because this car was lowered. So it looks pretty good. It's got the Perrin symbol right here. That's pretty clean, and then it also has it right here on the sides as well. Can't really see that though. We're gonna see how it sounds, so we'll give you guys like the before sounds and the after, so don't worry about that. And then we'll go ahead and get some clips on like drive-bys, and then how it sounds like in cabin as well. Alright, so like I said, now that we got it all jacked up, now I'm gonna give you guys the before clip of the stock exhaust, and then obviously we'll start taking this old one off. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that for you guys right now. So it doesn't sound too bad, but you can still tell like it definitely needs like a deeper tone or it just needs a little bit of something. So let's go ahead and get rid of this, take this off, and I'll show you guys some of the parts that we gotta take it off, just because I never, you know, like I said, worked on any of these kind of cars, so I don't know if it's as simple or difficult as the Lexus. So let's go ahead and hop in it. Alright, you guys, I want you to take a look with me under here, especially if it falls on me. We'll both be a witness together. But this is the stock exhaust. Alright, so we gotta take it off of these hangers over here, and then this mid hanger right here. Here's our diff. Honestly, at first I thought that this was a mistake. I thought this dent right here was a mistake, but apparently it's not, because it has it like all around and on the other side. So, and we gotta go all the way over there. Honestly, got a nice amount of room down here. Alright, so looks pretty simple. We just gotta disconnect some bolts down here. Believe we gotta take this off right here. So let's get to it. Alright, you guys, so ran into one small problem that hopefully can easily be fixed by going to get this part at like AutoZone or something. But so the stock exhaust comes with this donut gasket that's like right here up to like basically what, like mid pipe, front pipe area. Originally this donut gasket goes right here, but when you throw it on the front pipe over there, it's not gonna fit because of that donut. So you have to take it off, and we need a other flat gasket to kind of sit right here, so that way this can sit nicely, because this will go inside and it should fit. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and run to freaking AutoZone, and hopefully they got something. If not, maybe an exhaust shop might have one. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick, because we're already halfway there. So get back to you guys and let you know how it goes. Okay, you guys, so we're back from the freaking AutoZone, and I swear to you, we literally had to check like every single gasket size they had, because they didn't really like have like the exact size that we needed, and like the very last one that we had to check was the right size. So we ended up getting this like felt looking kind of gasket, which is really weird because I've never seen them like this, but it does fit. And it should work, hopefully, at least. So this is what it looks like. It was like $6. And it goes like so. So that way we can kind of cover that little gap right there that we were afraid about. So let's go ahead and continue this, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, it's all on there cleanly. Last thing I gotta do is clean it up Make sure you always clean your exhaust after putting it on. Oh yeah. Sheesh, brother. It kind of scared me when you're like, it doesn't fit. I was like, no way, dude. I was like, I'm pretty sure it does. All these videos I've been watching of other people fitting like the first gen exhaust, it's gotta fit. We're gonna make it fit. All right, boys. I'm gonna go ahead and finish cleaning this up, and then we're gonna give it a first start. Look who came. My boy Sen. You guys have seen Sen on the channel before. What's up, dude?
What's up, man? How you doing?
Glad you came through, man.
A little bit of a drive. How you doing?
Just a little bit. We're gonna see how it sounds now, guys. Honestly, it fits so well right here. It doesn't poke out on either side, and I was kind of afraid it might like be lopsided on one side, so I'm actually really happy it doesn't do that. Fits really well on the first gen. So let's go ahead and give it that that first start. Sounds pretty freaking good. I can't wait to hear how it sounds like when I downshift, if it pops, because I have heard a couple exhausts pop and stuff. So heck yeah, dude. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and like check under, see if we got any leaks or anything like that, and then I'll get some flyby for you guys, as well as like some in-cabin hearing to see like what kind of like drone might happen, if there's any drone at all. But honestly, I'm actually really happy with it. It sounds really good, so I'm excited to like I said, to see how it sounds on the road. All right, you guys, so left it on for about good 5 to 10 minutes. Saw no leaks, nice little purr. I think we're ready for some flybys. But before that, definitely gives me a smile. All right, let's go get some flybys. We're gonna go ahead and go to the little spot. I got my boy Sam with me. Okay.
What's up? Let's go.
So he's never been in the car. I've been talking to him about taking a little ride. Am I on?
Is it on reverse?
No, I forgot. Piece of wood.
Oh shit. This man is. I'm about to run over some wood.
Oh man, there's a piece of wood right there.
Oh my god. You almost lost it back there,
that was
bro.
Fucking horrible. Oh my gosh.
My god.
Oh my god, I need to learn how to do this stuff, you guys.
Gotta do more hooligan shit.
Yeah, man. All right, you guys. So I want to get you guys some inside clips.
No drone, honestly. Like just the right amount of drone.
Doesn't really sound like that, huh?
It's perfect.
Sounds so good.
Dude, it sounds. I love that.
It like doesn't make me worry at all about getting stopped or anything like that.
That's like the right amount, because it's only really when you're on it too. And the downshifts, I'm not gonna lie, they're not bad. Look at you, letting that car go in front. What a nice fella.
Yeah, you know.
What a courteous driver.
For right now. Okay, so back at Timmy's house after mine and Sen's shenanigans. I just want to add, I was really close to messing up all the BS that I was doing, but it was fun at the same time. So that's what I got the car for. I have a lot to learn, so go ahead, judge me in the comments. It is what it is. But I wanted to show you guys, look at the job that this fool Timmy did. I don't know if you guys can see, because it looks like the sun is just super beaming on the freaking caliper right now. Maybe if I, oh, okay, maybe you guys can see it now, but this House of Color clear, super good. It's probably like one of the most like high-end clears you can really get. A little pricey, but you know, won't have to worry too much about a bad clear job. And then he put a layer before this of that blue that I was talking to you guys about, so when he's rolling and the sun's kind of shining on his brake calipers, you'll be able to see the blue shine inside of the white paint. It's really cool. It almost looks like it's cream, but you can tell the white is just in there with the blue, so it's super clean. I can't wait to see what it looks like with the wheels on there. Made it back to the house, you guys. Today was super successful. I am super satisfied with the exhaust we went with, you guys. Perrin brand, whichever way you would say it. They're actually really good. It sounded really nice. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you guys like the sound, or if you guys have better ideas for something else you guys might like, I'd love to hear about it. I definitely was looking at other exhausts. I will say that I did want to keep it like Japanese brand, but I definitely do like supporting the brands that we have coming out of the States. So shout out to you guys at Perrin. You guys did a good job with this exhaust. It sounds amazing. Also, I was thinking to myself, this is actually a really dope video if you guys are catching this episode right now, whether you guys are people coming back to the channel or you guys are new to the channel, because this is the first install of the GR86. So just think about how later on in the future, how we're going to be doing so many other mods, and we'll kind of be looking back like, holy crap, remember the first mod that we did on the exhaust, and you know how long ago that was and how far we came. So that's why I think that this will be pretty cool for those of you guys that are here right now, for us to kind of look back later on and relish in all the work that we've done. So shout out to you guys that are here now with me experiencing all this. I kind of wanted to mention that I had another exhaust on the way. I actually had bought a Greddy Evo GT exhaust, but the back order on those is like really far out. Like I want to say I got quoted like 2 months out from now. I had to cancel that order. I ended up finding this online from somebody who had a first gen. So like I said, it was only like 7,000 miles used on it. You guys can see that the browning on the exhaust wasn't even all the way finished yet. So I was really happy with the condition of the exhaust and the fact that it bolted up right from the first generation. All these new exhausts, HKS, freaking Apex C, I was looking into all of them, you guys, and there's been a wait on them. So if you guys can find them, you know, let people know where they can find them if they're in stock now. I currently have been looking at Subi Speed, FT Speed, freaking 86 Speed, Art of Attack, I mean, a bunch of places, you guys. So if we want to change the exhaust later on, we could definitely go ahead and do that. But for now, I love what we have. And then not only that, it freaking pops and cracks on downshifts like freaking amazing. I'm gonna end this video right here. I feel like it might be running on a little too long, and I don't want to keep running on with what I'm talking about. So it's gonna be fun, you guys. I love sharing my experiences with you guys. So I love what I do, and I can't wait to see where this takes us. So make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe. It's all about longevity. Make sure you guys live long and prosper, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.